In 2003, MyTires in Platteville moved to a new facility with broadband access. Since that time, the shop nearly doubled its sales, and business-to-business e-commerce greatly improved its efficiency.
In June of 2003, we moved from an older facility across the 4-lane up to here, and then that's when we brought in the point-of-sale system we have, and then started doing a lot more ordering online. Thanks for calling MyTires. This is Tom. We sell 3,800 to 4,400 individual tires a year. We do a lot of service work. Right now we've got 4 technicians on staff. If we wanted to order tires, I would punch in a size, say 245, 75/16. As you can see, there's a lot of choices, and this is their on hands here in the green. We have one company that's next day delivery at 9 o'clock in the morning. I got 103.78 on some Kelly Springfield. There we go. They should be in the morning. You want to set up an appointment for tomorrow?
Yeah, I can.
What time?
1 o'clock.
Okay. I would type in a customer's name, maybe a phone number, some other little information that comes in on with the tires, so it reminds us, because we sell 4,000 tires a year, and we have 3,000 people in our customer database, of which 12 or 1,500 are pretty active, and that then you keep track of. So that allows us to keep track of that order in.
Hey Jim, Joe at MyTires.
We can call them, let them know their tires are in, make appointments and whatnot. Now, as of year to date, in 2011, we have 100% of our orders online with them. Last year we had 94%. Prior to coming in and setting this system up, almost everything was ordered at the old shop with a phone. And to double our volume in tires and other service work, we would have to probably, instead of having 2 full-time guys here on the counter with the rest of us filling in as needed, I'm guessing we'd have to be at 3 and 3.5 people here if we were individually calling, waiting for the call center to answer, having them look up the tires in their computer, tell us what they are, what the price are, and talk to the customer, tell them what the price is on something we don't have in hand, and then decide we want to order it, either call them back or they're... If you start looking at the impact of having a technology available on a small business, it becomes really, really significant.
All this is just a handheld computer. Normally we use it when the check engine light comes on, service engine soon, because it'll set a code. And then once it sets a code, there's a place down there for troubleshooting. P0335 crankshaft positioning sensor circuit A problem. Tells you what to look for and how to check it. It also gives you Bolton references. See Cadillac, old Bolton 020604-019. Flip up on the crankshaft positioning sensor and go to technical service Boltons, and then it gives you all the information on this, and it tells you if it had any of these codes in there, which I had 2 of them. Tells you the calls out, and then it tells you the correction. I've been in the automotive field for 40 years, and you always second guess yourself. So you want to make sure, especially with these sensors, they're about $90 a piece, and you don't want to put $180 worth of parts in it if you're not 100% sure that that's what's wrong with it.
The efficiency of online business and e-commerce is very hidden to most people. But from a local standpoint, just here in town, we have 3 parts houses in town, and we order 95% or 100% of that stuff online. And we can just put in the quantity we want, click it, and it prints out right down there on their printer. They just hear it running, they go over and pick it up, and they just fill the order, and the part arrives here.
I'll get them things ordered, and we should have that done and ready to go by the time Elaine's off work today. Yeah, she'll be happy.